Welcome back to Top Moments TV. And today non-stop action, we will take you on a journey through the entire forestry process, from felling giant trees to processing the wood. Get ready for some epic scenes and incredible machinery. Have you ever stood under the shade of a majestic old tree, looking up at its branches reaching up to the sky, and wondered how many stories, how many secrets are hidden inside? The secrets may have faded over the years, sometimes rotting, but they still contain the strength and history of time. Then one day, those giants fell, not because of destruction, but because of the skillful hands of extraordinary people. The roar of chainsaws echoed throughout the mountains and forests, blending with the mighty sounds of giant forestry machines. This is not just a job, but a dramatic adventure, where humans and modern technology join forces to conquer nature with absolute precision. The lumberjacks, the silent heroes of the green forest, not only have the strength to subdue the tall old trees. Whoa, this is not a magician but a naughty chainsaw. Legendary at first glance, shark ransom. Harvester tooth stump may seem unconventional, but watch it in action, and it is a game changer. Its raw power and efficiency in crushing even the largest tree stumps are astounding. This monster is redefining productivity and clearing and setting a new standard in forestry. The tree stump planer is a powerful and handy piece of equipment designed to deal with large tree stumps left over from logging. The machine has a powerful motor located in the center that provides power to the planer disc to rotate at a fast speed, effectively crushing the stump into mulch. The branch crusher is a powerful and useful tool for processing branches and wood chips. The entire body of the machine is designed to be sturdy with a thick, strong steel frame, suitable for outdoor work. Looking at the machine in operation, people cannot help but be impressed by its power and efficiency. An essential tool in the forestry and environmental treatment industry. Early in the morning, the tractor began its journey, heading straight onto the snow-covered road. The engine roared, as strong as the wind howling in the deep forest. Each rotation of the wheels seemed to tear the ground apart, splashing mud on both sides. The road ahead was full of challenges. The Forwarder Log Set 6 is one of the most modern machines available, designed to meet the needs of transporting logs in the harshest conditions. With its combination of advanced technology, high performance and durability, this machine not only helps to optimize labor efficiency but also contributes to reducing environmental impact, an important factor in sustainable forestry. Dipper Fox South Carolina 600 is a modern tree stump remover. With a compact size but full of power, South Carolina 600 is mounted on medium-sized excavators, helping to optimize operation. The special feature of South Carolina 600 is the powerful rotating cutting head, which can crush and remove tree stumps in just a few seconds. The truck carrying logs trudged down the muddy forest road. The huge wheels, covered in mud, spun vigorously, creating swirls of splashing. On the truck bed, long, Heavy logs were stacked on top of each other, as if testing the vehicle's endurance. With a steady hand on the steering wheel and focused eyes, the driver skillfully guided each wheel through the difficult road. The giant wood crusher appeared like a hungry crocodile. Powerful and scary, the mouth of the machine, wide and roaring, was exactly like the sharp teeth of a crocodile, ready to swallow any heavy log. The roar of the engine mixed with the loud impact sound, creating a scene that was both majestic and powerful. Standing in front of it was like witnessing a monster hunting in the middle of the green forest. A large excavator slowly moves along the muddy road, evoking the image of a strong warrior facing a challenge. Its tracks sink deep into the soft mud. Each time it lifts up, it sends up splashes of soggy soil. Its steel arms extend forward as if to balance and assist in traversing the difficult terrain. The roar of its engine echoes throughout the space, demonstrating the effort the machine puts into each step. Wood on the edge of this lumberjack. Precision is unparalleled, but there is a mistake. Movement and gravity control. The forest is not just a workplace but a tree saw. A battlefield with high stakes of skill and serious courage. You can't pay me enough to take on such jobs. For those who can, absolutely.
Do they have a lift lock those things?
Yeah, yes, it up now.
Yep.
He's got what they call CDIs on his truck. Yep. What it does is take all the air out of the tyres. Yes. So like big.
More grip.
Yeah.
A giant agricultural machine stood still in the middle of a vast muddy field. Like a giant helpless before nature, the huge body of the machine, towering with giant wheels, was sinking deep into the thick mud, causing each turn of the wheel to sink deeper. The mud stuck to the body of the machine, covering the chassis and wheels, making it heavier than ever. Oh my god, idiots are doing the entertainment challenge. This is definitely the best car race I have ever seen before. It is amazing when I look back at this scene. Logging is an important industry, but it is also a dangerous industry for people and the environment. First of all, workers often face risks such as accidents caused by falling trees, operating machinery or slipping in rugged mountainous terrain. Saws, scissors, and heavy machinery can cause serious injuries if not used carefully. Environmentally, overlogging causes deforestation, leading to soil erosion, flooding and affecting biodiversity. Deforested forests not only lose their ability to provide habitat for wildlife but also contribute to global climate change. In short, to minimize risks, it is necessary to implement occupational safety measures and apply sustainable logging methods to protect people and nature. A desolation is not simple. The machine supporting the demolition work is a great journey. Full of challenges. Danger can come at any time. Absolutely.
This thing is done overgrown pretty bad. That is $1 worth of work and cover a lot of stuff, and I ain't give them nothing, you know. Matter of fact, you notice I took all the stick grass. But the thing that I do now with mine,
Thank you for joining us on this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.